Ka all MEECL Union Association menta kasngi palai kilalumi kinong tray ka MEECL man penpawi ka jing pusya halor ka jing tumu jang ka sarkar pedang ban IT no ya ki distribution company security shimet ban kintu ya ka sarkar jela ban khang ka sarkar pedang bakan IT ya ka MEECL company security shimet Habiyakram bikilat patai kubor uba PK sulat ulaong baladaya ki distribution and IT yang ki company ki shimet klempap kane kan ketayu duk usung nomor bakar kum ka standard binding document ka bala penmi da ka sarkar pedang hakabaya ki jaka baha baka MEECL kin shu aino hakador pejam nominal rate barkani kan long kumba ki
accumulated losses and liabilities. We are against this because in 2010, when the erstwhile MECB was corporatized, we were given the promise that once corporatized, the new entities would start without any burden. It would be working on a clean balance sheet.
Which are unwanted. They have taken loan just to fulfill the corporate house, and few politicians. Yes. We have the right. We are speaking of our rights. This is the time where we should stand united. Not only MECL employees. We are going to mobilize the whole state. We want regularization of our contractual employees. They have been with us for the last 15 to 20 years. We have been keeping mum, but now it's time where we have to move ahead. Inqilab! Inqilab! No pay! No work! No pay! No work! No pay! No work! Thank you. Be total shutdown of power. Agree. Total shutdown of power in the state. This time we are going to take a drastic action. We have been compelled for the last 10 years. We have shut our mouth. But now we are not going to allow. Our pensioners are being victimized. They have left us. They have expired. For the last 3 years, their dues has not been paid. We cannot be anymore as silent spectators. The government should immediately release the 840 crores terminal benefits, including the actual valuation, failing which we are going to intensify our agitation.